Hello everyone. Now, up till now, we have been discussing some related to the syllabus. Now, today we will discuss some topics which is out of the syllabus. As we all know, mathematics helps us to understand the world and provides an effective way of building mental discipline. Maths encourages logical thinking, critical thinking, and creative thinking. So, if you observe around you, everywhere you will see maths in different forms. From morning you keep alarm, right, for waking up. So from morning alarm to night till night when you go to bed, you are using maths. Okay, so if you start observing, you will come to know that everywhere you are using maths in your daily life. Now, today we will see some hidden patterns in monthly calendars. You all are having monthly calendar at your house. You people can check it out yourself. Okay, कोई भी एक साल का आप कैलेंडर ले लीजिए. It can be of any year. You can pick up any month. I have taken of the current year, that is 2021. So here is one calendar which I have taken. You can take out any calendar of any year and of any month. So in this calendar, if we observe carefully, there are hidden patterns in this calendar. Okay, so we will see how this calendar is related to maths. So first of all, if you see this carefully, let us first take up any one month. Okay, so let me take March. Okay, I'm taking March. So this March month, if you see carefully in this calendar, first we will talk of this month, March. First of all, if you see any 2 by 2 grid, okay, any 2 by 2, आप कोई भी 2 by 2 grid इसमें ले लेंगे. For example, suppose if you are taking this part, this is 2 by 2 grid, 14, 15, 21 and 22. And in this 2 by 2 grid, if you add the numbers diagonally means you will add like this, 14 plus 22. So what will be your answer? If you see, 14 plus 22 will give you 4 plus 2 is 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 36. Now add this way diagonally, 21 plus 15. So your answer will be 5 plus 1 is 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3, 36. So both answers are same. So similarly, if you take up any 2 by 2 grid, कोई भी 2 by 2 grid आप ले लीजिए, सबका आंसर जो टोटल होगा डायगनली अगर आप ऐड करेंगे, आंसर विल बी ऑलवेज same. Always you will get equal answer. Let us take one more example. For example, if you are taking this grid, ये ग्रिड लिया है मैंने. ओके, अगर आप ये ग्रिड ले लेंगे तो ये आपका जो आपने 2 by 2 ग्रिड लिया है, तो इसमें 11 plus 19. ओके, इफ़ यू चेक आउट 11 plus 19, योर आंसर विल बी 30. ओके, 9 and 1 is 10, so carry up 1 and 1, 2 and 3, so 30. Now add this way. So 18 plus 12 will again give you 30. So again the answers are matching. So this way if you take any 2 by 2 grid, कोई भी 2 by 2 grid आप ले लेंगे कोई भी month में, okay, always the answer will be same. If you add diagonally, the answers will always be same. आपका answer always same आएगा. For example, one more example we will take. Suppose I am taking from this month, I am taking from this month April. अप्रैल मंथ में से मैं कोई भी एक स्क्वायर ग्रिड ले लेती हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टेकिंग, सपोज आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन. ओके, आई हैव टेकन दिस वन. नाउ अगेन इफ आई ऐड diagonally 20 plus 28, so what will be the answer? Let us check it out. So 20 plus 28 will give you 48. Now add this way, 27 plus 21, 27 plus 21, again your answer will be 48. So again you are getting same answer. So this is the fact that if you take any 2 by 2 grid in the calendar and if you add diagonally the numbers, the answers will be always equal. दोनों आंसर आपको equal मिलेगा. So this was one pattern. Now let us see another pattern. If you see another pattern is, for example, now we are moving to second pattern. Second pattern will be if you take 3 by 3 grid. Okay, आप कोई भी 3 by 3 grid इसमें से ले लीजिए. If you take any 3 by 3 grid, what will happen? The sum of each pair is always twice the middle number. For example, suppose I'm taking this 3 by 3 grid. अब ये 3 by 3 ग्रिड यहाँ से ये वाला पार्ट मैंने लिया है, ठीक है, ये 3 by 3 ग्रिड मैंने लिया है. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी will add these both numbers, and whatever answer we will get, that will always be twice the middle number. बीच वाला जो नंबर है उसका डबल मिलेगा आपको. So let us check. So 1 plus 3, your answer will be 4, and 4 is double of 2, right? So middle number का डबल आ रहा है. Yes, it is coming. Now 8 plus 10 is 18, and 18 is again double of 9. See, the middle number is 9, so 9 का डबल हो जाएगा 18. Okay, then 15 plus 17. So 15 plus 17, what will be your answer? 7 and 5 will be 12, so 32. Okay, 32 आ रहा है आपका आंसर. So your middle number is 16, so this number 32 is double of this number. So if you add these both number, the sum of each pair is always twice the middle number. जो भी आपका middle number है उसका double आएगा. So this is the pattern for 3 by 3 grid. Now this way, if you take any 3 by 3 grid, कोई भी 3 by 3 grid आप ले लीजिए इस कैलेंडर में से, anywhere, any corner. Okay, 3 by 3 grid if you take, always the sum will be double of the middle one. So let us check with one more example. Let us take one more 3 by 3 grid. For example, I am taking this 3 by 3 grid. Okay, so this I am taking. Now again we will check the sum of each pair. So I'll do 11 plus 13. So 11 plus 13 will give you 11 plus 13. Your answer will be 3 plus 1 will be 4, and this 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So 24. So 24 is double of 12. See, the middle number is 12 and 24 uska double hai, right? So 24 is double of 12. Now again let us add this both pair. So 18 plus 20 will give you how much? Let us check it out. So 18 plus 20 will be 8 and 0 will be 8, and 2 and 1 will be 3. So 38. So your answer is 38. Again 38 is double of 19. If you see the middle number, it is 19, and this 38 is double of 19. Now let us check here 25 and 27. So if you add these both 25 and 27, your answer will be 7 and 5 will give you 12. So carry up 1, 2 and 2 will be 4, and 1 5, 52. So your answer is 52, which is again double of 26. So this way, if you add each pair, also if you add diagonally means if you add this 25 and 13, if you add 25 and 13, for example, if you add this way also, diagonally also if you add, then also your answer will be double the middle one. आप diagonally भी अगर add करेंगे 25 plus 13, तो जो भी आंसर आएगा वो जो सेंटर में जो नंबर है उसका डबल आएगा. सो 25 plus 13, you can check it. So 25 plus 13 will be 5 and 3 will be 8, and here 38. Again 38. So middle number जो है 19 उसका डबल आया, right? So आप ऐसे ऐड कीजिए या तो ऐसे ऐड कीजिए, ओके, डायगनली ऐड कीजिए या हॉरिजॉन्टली या वर्टिकली ऐड कीजिए. द सम ऑफ ईच पेयर इज ऑलवेज ट्वाइस द मिडल नंबर. जो भी मिडल नंबर है उसका डबल आएगा. नाउ वी विल चेक दिस विथ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. लेट अस कंसिडर दिस मंथ, अप्रैल मंथ में हम कोई भी एक 3x3 ग्रिड लेके एक बार फिर से चेक कर लेते हैं. सो लेट अस सी, ओके, सो लेट अस सी one more 3x3 grid. For example, I am taking this 3x3 grid. Okay, ये 3x3 grid मैंने लिया है. वापस हम चेक करेंगे. So 12 plus 14 करेंगे. So let us check it. 12 plus 14. Your answer is 4 and 2 will be 6, and this 1 and 1 will be 2. 26. So 26 is double of 13, right? Now let us add 19 and 21. So 19 plus 21. So again 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0, carry up 1. And here 2 plus 1, 3 and 1, 4. So 40. So 40 आ रहा है आपका. So 40 जो है वो 20 का डबल है, right? First आया था 26 which is double of 13. Then the answer is 40 which is double of 20. Now let us check this 26 and 28. So 26 plus 28. Your answer will be 6 and 8 will be 14. So 2 and 2 will be 4 and 1 5, 54. So again 54 is double of 27. So this way all three are satisfied. Now let us check diagonally. So 26 plus 14. अगर आप 26 plus 14 करेंगे, so your answer will be, you will get 40. Your answer will be 40. So 26 plus 14, if you add 14 and 26, answer will be 40. Again 40 is double of 20. So this way, if you take the sum of each pair, the answer will always be twice the middle number. So this was the second pattern in the calendar. I hope you got it. You can check it yourself. आप कोई भी एक मंथ ले लीजिए, उसमें कोई भी 3x3 ग्रिड आप लेके आप ये चेक कर सकते हैं अपने आप, खुद से आप चेक करके यू कैन ट्राई इट ऑन योर ओन. Now we will see third pattern. Okay, so third pattern is, if you take again any 3x3 grid, आप कोई भी 3x3 grid ले लीजिए. For example, again let us take any one example. Suppose I am taking this one. So if you take any 3x3 grid, this I have taken. Okay, now in this grid, if you add all the numbers, okay, this time the condition is, if you add all the numbers, the answer will be always 9 times of the middle one. The answer will be always 9 times of this middle number. जो आपका middle number है उसका 9 times आपको मिलेगा. Let us check it out. So what we will do, we have to add all the numbers. जितने numbers है इस grid में वो सारे आपको add करना है. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 will give you 2 and 1 3 and 3 6. Now again 8 plus 9 plus 10. 8 plus 9 plus 10 will give you 9 and 8 will be 17, and 17 and 10 will be 27. Now third is 15 plus 16 plus 17. So if you add this, 15 plus 16 plus 17 will give you how much? 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 and 7 will be 18. So 8 and carry up 1. So this 1, 2, 3 and 4, 48. So 48 आया. तो ये जो आपका तीनों आंसर है, अब आप इसको ऐड कर दो, 6, 27 and 48. So now we will add 6, 27 and 48. So your answer will be, let us add this, 6 and 7 will be 13. 13 and 8 will be, okay, 13 and 8 will give you 21. 21, right? So 1 and carry up 2. Now 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. So 81 is your answer. Now this 81 is 9 times of the middle number. Middle number आपका जो center में जो number है, that number if you see, what is that number? So that number is 9. So ये जो 9 है और ये जो 81 है, दोनों में क्या relation है? So 9 and this answer is 81. So this 81 is 9 times of this. So 9 9s is 81. So this way, if you take any 3x3 grid and if you add all the numbers, जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा वो जो मिडल नंबर है उसका 9 टाइम्स आएगा. Let us check it with one more example. So now let us take another 3x3 grid. कोई भी 3x3 grid आप दूसरा ले लीजिए. Okay. For example, I am taking this one. You can take any. Okay. Now let us check again what I said, that when you will add all these numbers, ये सारे numbers जो इस grid में है उसको अगर आप add करेंगे, so जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा वो middle number जो है उसका 9 times आएगा, यानी कि 19 का 9 times आना चाहिए. 9 9s are right. check करें. So 11 plus 12 plus 13. First we will add this all. First we will add this all. So 11 plus 12 plus 13 will give you 11 plus 12 plus 13. So that will be 3, 4, 5 and 1, 6. And here 1, 2 and 3. So 36. Then 18 plus 19 plus 20. 18 plus 19 plus 20 will give you how much? 9 and 8 is 17. So 7, carry up 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 57. Now we will add the third part. So that is 25 plus 26 plus 27. So let us add these three. So 25 plus 25 will be 50 plus 1. So here 25 and 26 will be 51. 51 and 27 will give you. So here we are getting 36, here 57 and here 78. So these three now we will add. So 36 plus 57 plus 78 will give us. It will give us 171. So our total will be 171. So 171, this is our total answer. If you add all these numbers, the total is 171. And this total what you are getting, this is 9 times of the middle number, means 19 9s is 171. So if you take up any 3 by 3 grid and if you add all the numbers, जितने numbers आपको दिए हैं उसके अंदर, all the numbers if you add, the answer will be always 9 times of the middle number जो center में है. Okay, so this is also one pattern, or you can call it one fact. So you can check this yourself. You can take up of any month, you can take up any 3 by 3 grid and you can add all the numbers and the answer will always be 9 times of the center one. जो भी center में आपका middle में number दिया है उसका 9 times आएगा. So this is third pattern. Now last one more pattern, that is fourth pattern, is if you take up largest rectangle in this month. Okay, largest rectangle I mean that इसमें से आपको जो भी largest rectangle form हो रहा है that you need to take out. For example, if you try to form rectangle from here, you cannot form it, right? Because here it is blank. Same way here it is blank. So आपको एक ऐसा rectangle इसमें से लेना है that will be the largest rectangle figure out of this. So let us try. So if you see, this will be the largest rectangle. Okay, so this grid what I am taking, this is 3 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I have taken 3 by 7 grid. So this is a 3 by 7 grid, means you can also call it rectangle shape. Okay, so this way if you take up, okay, what happens here is that if you add the numbers, corresponding numbers, if you add, then the answer will always be same. For example, just a minute. Okay, so we are talking about this rectangle. Now in this rectangle, if you add the numbers, how you need to add is, if you add the number which is at the same place, corresponding number, means इस कॉर्नर पे 7 है, राइट, सेम वे इस कॉर्नर पे क्या है 27. तो ये दोनों का टोटल कितना आएगा, लेट अस चेक. 7 plus 27, your answer will be 34. Now here go on moving to the left side and here go on moving to the right side. For example, now take the next number. 7 के बाद next number है आपका 8 और यहाँ पे 26 से आपको एक स्टेप इस तरफ पीछे आना है, मीन्स 26. So if you add 8 and 26, what will be your answer? Again the answer will be 34. 8 plus 26, again your answer will be 34. Now similarly if you add this 9 and 25, this 9 and this 25, again your answer will be 34. Okay, if you add 10 plus 24, again your answer will be 34. If you add this 11 plus 23, your answer will be again 34. If you add 12 and 22, your answer will be again 34. If you add this 13 and 21, your answer will be again 34. Now which two pairs are left? So this 14 and this 20. So this both if you add, again the answer is 34. So this way if you take up the largest rectangle which is possible, okay, and if you go on adding like this, always the answer will be same, the answer will be equal. Okay, so what I have done, I have added 7 with 27, I have added 8 with 26, I have added 9 with 25, 10 with 24, 11 with 23, 12 with 22, 13 with 21, and I have added this number 14 and 20. So this way, if you go on adding the corresponding numbers, the answers, the total of the answers will always be same. So this was the fourth pattern. Now let us see one more example for this one. Okay, so ये जो हमने last pattern देखा है उसका एक और example देख लेते हैं. So now here I have another month, April. So this month, April, I will take again the largest rectangle out of this, which is possible. So this part is possible, largest rectangle. Okay, so largest rectangle हम यहाँ पे अगर लेंगे तो ये वाला possible है, right? Again we will add up. So what we will do? First we will add this number 4 and 24. So 4 plus 24 will be how much? It will be 28. Your answer is 28. Now add 5 plus 23. What is 5 plus 23? Again your answer is 28. Now 6 plus 22. Again your answer is 28. 7 and 21. Again it is 28. Then 8 and 20. Again your answer is 28. Then 9 and 19. Again your answer is 28. Then 10 and 18. Again your answer is 28. And then last, this 11 and this 17. If you add this both, again your answer is 28. So this way, if you go on adding the numbers which are given on the boundary, ये सारे नंबर्स जो आपको बाउंड्रीज में दिया है उसको अगर आप इस तरीके से ऐड करेंगे तो आपका जो भी आंसर आएगा वो ऑलवेज द आंसर्स विल बी, all the answers will be same. You will always get 28. So this was the last pattern. So today we have seen 4 patterns in calendars. I hope you like the video, and if you have many more such patterns in the calendar, you might also have observed something in the calendar. If it is like that, please share it with me. Comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.